Welcome, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we have an exciting project to share with you. Get ready to transform a simple side table into a stunning marble masterpiece. Let's get started. To begin, purchase a side table with pre-assembled legs from your favorite online retailer. Next, acquire a beautiful marble rock slab that fits the dimensions of the table's top. Follow the provided installation instructions. To assemble the table legs, use the accompanying tools and hardware to securely fasten the legs together. Take your time to ensure proper alignment and stability. Start by giving the table legs a sleek black finish. Using water-based wood paint, which is known for its user-friendly application. Apply a smooth and even coat to all visible surfaces. The water-based formula ensures easy cleanup and low odor. Now it's time to attach the marble slab. Apply a strong adhesive, specifically designed for stone and wood, to the top surface of the table. Be generous, but avoid excessive amounts that might seep out. Carefully place the marble slab onto the adhesive-covered table. Ensuring proper alignment, gently press down, applying even pressure to promote a secure bond. Remember, with a little creativity and some simple DIY techniques, you can achieve remarkable results.